Swiss air ambulance Rega is headquartered at the Zurich-Kloten Airport. Rega employs over 320 staff members at 13 bases in Switzerland. They fly more than 13,000 rescue missions per year using rescue helicopters and jets.
The biggest challenge in transport ventilation is the equipment itself. The ventilator must adapt very quickly to changes in patient conditions. Breathing faster, less often, or too little. We need a device that is absolutely reliable and provides very stable ventilation.
To meet the special needs of ICU patients during transport, Hamilton Medical developed the Hamilton T1 transport ventilator in close cooperation with Rega.
We were actively involved from a very early stage and were able to influence the development of the device, which of course was ideal for us. As the Hamilton T1 was a new system for a specialized use model, we naturally had plenty of comments and suggestions. Some changes needed to be made to the device and software, but the experience was very positive. Our requests were always welcome. We even had Hamilton technicians on site to take a look at what we wanted changed. No effort was spared.
The developers in Bonadud, Switzerland integrated Rega's suggestions and requirements into the hardware and software, creating a ventilator that adapts perfectly to changing circumstances during intensive care or emergency transportation.
The ventilator needed to be simple and intuitive to use, as we have many doctors working in rotation on the crews. We don't have the luxury to train them for months. They have to be able to go on duty and use the ventilator without issue. The Hamilton T1's advantage is its intuitive interface. Just one knob. Turn it, push it, very easy to work with.
Adaptive Support Ventilation, ASV for short, is a ventilation mode that adapts automatically on a breath-to-breath basis to the needs of both active and passive patients.
ASV in particular has proven its worth in everyday use. Our crews are highly enthusiastic about it. They say they don't have to worry about ventilation and can focus on getting the patient set up. They then go back to check the ventilation settings and adapt them, if that's even necessary. More often than not, the ventilator does a better job than the doctor.